Hey guys, I hope you guys are doing great. So today in this video we are going to see how we can utilize the LOD include expression to get more granularity about a particular dimension. So in our case we will be trying to find an answer to the question that what is the average sales per country per category, and we'll also try to answer to the question what is the average sales per country per subcategory using include LOD expression. So let's begin. So we have a data set which contains some dimensions like category, country, order ID, subcategory, and we have sales as a measure. So if I bring the country to rows and then I bring sales to text, then I get the sum of the sales. And if I change this to average, this gives me average over all the countries. But this information might not be much helpful, and this can be sometimes misleading because, for example, if there is more number of orders or the sum of the sales more for a particular order, or if there are duplicated order IDs. So in that case, we don't have that information whether the average is taken per order ID or it is taken per category or per subcategory. So we need that particular information to one step down in the hierarchy and the granularity. So for that, what we will do is we will create a calculation field and then I will name it as category sales average. Okay, and I will start with the curly braces and I will mention include, and then I will be including the category because we want to include the granularity at the category level, and then I will aggregate it with sum. And what are we aggregating? The sales. And I will close the parentheses and I will close it with the curly braces and we get a valid calculation. And I press OK, and then I get my LOD dimension. I drag it and put it on the sheet, and this way I get the sum of sales per category per country. But we don't want the sum, we want the average, so I'll change it to average. So this way I get it at the category level. Now what are the categories in it? Now the categories can be like, for example, it's furniture, stationery. So these are the two categories that we have in this data. So let us verify the information that we got from our LOD expression and the information in our sheet, whether that is matching with our understanding. So for example, if I take country as France, so after filtering out by country, we get country records for sales for France, and then we have categories. So we have only two categories, that is furniture and stationery, and then we have the sales. So if I take the sales sum, it is 1000, and we have how many categories? Two categories, furniture and stationery. So 1000 divided by 2 is 500, and that is what we are getting as our answer. So this column gives us the average sales per country per category. And now suppose, let's take one more example. We want to find the average sales per country per subcategory. Then we will simply create the calculated field and here we will mention subcategory sales average, and we want it at the subcategory level, so we will include subcategory and we will aggregate it with sum of sales, and we will apply it and click OK. We get our measure of LOD subcategory sales, and now we will simply drag it onto our sheet. So right now again we have a sum and we need to change it to average, and this way we get our average at subcategory level for each country. You see there is a difference in the values because of the business requirement that we had to answer particular question at the granularity level of category and subcategory. So this was it in this video. I will come up with more complex and difficult examples on LODs. Stay tuned to my channel, and please, if you have not subscribed it till now, please do subscribe it to my channel and hit the like button. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care of yourself. Bye.